Ready to dive into the world of crypto and grab some Solana or Sol using your British pounds on Coinbase? First, you'll need to fund your Coinbase account with GBP. On the home screen, click the Add Funds button, usually located on the top right of your dashboard. Choose GBP as your currency and select your preferred deposit method, such as a bank transfer or debit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your account and deposit the desired amount. Once your GBP is in your account, navigate to the Trade section. Search for the SOL GBP trading pair in the search bar. Now, you're ready to buy Sol. Decide whether you want a market order, which buys Sol at the current price, or a limit order, which lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the amount of GBP you want to spend, carefully review the transaction details, including any fees, and then click Buy Sol to execute your order. Your newly acquired Sol will now appear in your Coinbase portfolio. Keep an eye on your investment, considering the ever-changing crypto market. Remember, always be aware of the risks and happy trading.